Morning everybody, it is Friday today, so it's the 5th day of the school summer holidays. I think we're just going to have a day at home today actually. It's a little bit cooler and it is a little bit more overcast, so it might be a good day to tackle the garden. There is quite a lot of weeding and cutting back to do. It's a job that I don't mind doing, but I find it's a job that is always at the bottom of my to-do list outside of work and school runs and catching up on housework, etc. I haven't decided if it's going to be a big job or if it just looks like a big job because there's so much that needs cutting back, but that is the plan for today. Okay, so this is the bit that runs up the fence. I kind of weed in panels. It's a panelled fence, so I kind of give myself like we'll try and get 3 panels done. So I know looking here that there's obviously flowers in bloom and there's obviously a lot of weeds that need to come out here. Again, there's this side here is where it really needs cutting back. That is finished blooming and needs cutting back. That hydrangea, I have no idea what's going on with that. It is just not flowering at all. These irises need cutting back. These foxgloves definitely need cutting back. These little guys here, my mum was telling me these ones here are verbena. Now I bought a verbena, which is this one here, and planted it last year, and it seems to have had babies, but from what I can remember they get quite big, so I don't want them there. So I think what I'm going to have to do is gently dig them out and move them to here. I think today being Friday, by Sunday, if the weather stays nice, we should be looking a lot better out here. Okay, so I'm about an hour in now. It is getting too hot to continue, but I'm happy that I've got the foxgloves dug out. I've got the irises cut back, and out of the 6 panels, is it 6? 2, 4, 6. 6 panels, I've managed to do 2. I did intend to get 3 or 4 done today, but it is just too hot. But that is all cleared out of weeds now, and I think I'll just give myself 2 a day over the weekend until it's all done. A bit later on now, we have come out for a little drive and to get the boys an ice cream. There's no diets, is there, during the school holidays? It's so busy here today. It's a really popular one because it's got a cafe, it's got an ice cream parlour, it's got a farm shop, and it's also got a lovely playground and like an animal. It's not like a petting zoo, but they've got a Shetland pony, they've got some cows, they've got some sheep, they've got a llama.
What about chicken?
I don't know if I have chickens. This one's lovely, we come here quite often. Kev's also come to join us. He got an early finish from work, so him and Jack have just nipped in to get our ices. Dad and Jack with our ices, Matthew.